Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Collegedunia, and today I'll be telling you how you can predict your college according to your GATE rank. So first you have to visit the Collegedunia website, that is collegedunia.com, and once you see this link you have to click on it, and after visiting the website you have to scroll down below and you will see the section of College Predictor. Select over here and select the course and the exam that you want to pursue. For example, today we'll be seeing for GATE, and the course I want to do is Masters of Architecture. Click on Find Colleges, and later you have to enter your score along with your reservation category. For example, here my score is 783 and this is the course name and reservation category. Click on check results. So you can see there are in total of 7 colleges for which I qualify for, and this is a list of all those colleges given down below for you. And if you want to know more about the college and course, you have to select over here, and you can see that all the information regarding your course fees, admission, department, cutoff, placement, ranking, scholarship and faculty, along with the hostel allocation and college compare will be given over here on this page, and you can download all this information by selecting brochure over here. And if you want to see colleges according to your preferences and specific choice, you have to select the option of filter given down below, and after that you can select colleges according to your state, your city, your year, substream, degree type and category. Apply those changes and all the colleges will be listed down below according to your preferences. Thank you so much. If you have any other question, you can comment down below or visit the Collegedunia website, that is collegedunia.com.